What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's. You know I'm back with another informative video, and you guys are gonna enjoy this one. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. I know y'all been waiting for this. The reason why I know y'all been waiting for this is because every one of these I do, I get 5,000 to 10,000 likes, and you guys have tons of questions. So I'm gonna make sure I answer all of them in this video. And I ain't gonna leave you guys hanging. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got it from, the price I paid. I'm gonna do all that up front and get right to the nitty gritty before I explain, basically what these things are and how these things help me and can help you. All right, so here we go. So number one, this is the iEdge 3-in-1 6-foot cable. Now this cable can be purchased at your local 5 and below. You can get this cord. I'm not spending thousands of dollars on these things. I'm spending a couple bucks on these things. This one was $4.99. And it's a hit or miss whether they're there when you go to get them. That's why it's very important that you guys make sure as soon as my video comes out, you guys make sure you click on it and show me your support right here. Thank you, I appreciate it. Make sure you hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I definitely appreciate it. This 3-in-1 is so awesome because it does iPhone, it does iPhone here, it does regular, it does C, which is the new port for Android, and it also does mini HDMI. And it has USB on the other end, and it's also 6 foot. So it can fit anywhere in your vehicle between your driver front row and back seat. Should have no problems with connecting to everything. And I'll open it up and just give you guys a closer look. I won't leave you guys hanging. Man, I mean, it's braided nice wire. Okay, so it's out of the package. All right. Take that off. And I'm gonna use this immediately after I show you guys. So you can see it comes like this in the housing. You can see the 3 prongs it has on it. I know people don't really show you that when they get these types of, do these type of unboxings. Really, it's not really in a box, but you see the 3 you get, and you get 6 foot of cord, which is plenty enough. And there is this awesome, nice USB in the back. All right, or at the other end. So there's that. I hope you guys appreciate me doing that video. If you're trying to find this, there's also a place called Burlington that you can find these types of cords. They have genuine nice cords. I don't know how they're getting them and why they're selling them so cheap, but I don't think that this cord should be crazy amounts of money, but they're dirt cheap. It's $4.99. So you guys go get you one. Okay, now what I'm about to show you next, I know you guys are gonna love. I know you guys are gonna find a way to use this in your car, your truck, your house. I'm probably gonna be using it somewhere in my car or my truck, or even in my bedroom by my stand. And I guess the biggest thing will be keeping up with all the parts that come with it. So boom, we have here, yes, you see it, we have here the waterproof LED light with remote. 13, it got 13 LEDs in it, and it's 2 dynamic color settings. I don't know what that really means because I previously had something like this. This is by Electronic Necessities, and it's color changing LED, and it's also submersible light for parties and home decor. So it is a waterproof, dude. So if you wanted to get these and get 10 of them and put them around the inside of your pool, it would be able to work. Now, of course, you get 10 of these, you're gonna have 10 remotes to it. So this is probably something good to use for just maybe over top of your sink in your kitchen. Like I have in here. And you can get a little thing to sit the little remote in, and you can cut it on when you want a lot of light in that area. I'll probably use it by my bedroom and keep the controller on the wall in a little, a little cup holder, or like, little things you can stick on the wall and stick stuff in it. That's how I'll probably do mine. But we're gonna open this bad boy up and see how it works. And now, this is what I'll show you really quick, because a lot of people get this confused. They say, dude, does it come with it? Do it or no? No. This box that I'm showing you does not come with this at all. This one is for a particular, is 15,000 milliamp battery charger. You recharge it by putting a mini HD in there, which is this plug, okay? And you plug that in and plug it in the wall and put the little boxes that come in the back of the charger to it, and it'll charge up, okay? And you just plug this into one of your phones. This is the portable way to do that. So I wanted to get it out of the way. Now with this one, we're gonna open it up. This is how it's gonna come, okay? And I already pulled the backing out of it to make this video a lot easier, so I don't have to go above and beyond opening it with a knife and all that. And I'm gonna just show you what's all on it, okay? You can see it has all the color changing and everything. You guys go get this from 5 and below, $5. All right, and here's the casing it comes in. And here's the back. And like I said, 1, 2, 3. Yep, 13 LEDs in it, okay? 13. And if you twist this to the left, that's where your batteries will be. I advise you, the ones that come with it, these are Magnavox. I don't know how great or good they are. Go get some Duracell or Energizer bunnies to go in this, so that you don't have to worry about it. You see the magnet on the bottom. You take it and you don't do it rough. You just kind of take your time and let it go along the seal. And it has a seal on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a little white seal on it. And you just tighten it down around. That'll make it waterproof. Do it till it doesn't kind of like move anymore. And it even shows you what you got to do to open or close it. And it says multicolor submersible LED. So we're gonna test it today. We're gonna do something a little bit different with this video today. But I want to show you what it does when it's on. Bam! So it's on. I'm gonna go to green, blue, lighter, dark, I don't know what green that is, orange, blue, fade, jump, and you can turn the light down. You can turn the light up. You can go green and it pulsates. Black pulsates. And added another color in there, or off. You see it works pretty dang good. So you can go on. So you gotta turn it on before you can even do any other settings. That's pretty cool. So you can even tell kind of what color I'm using just from me just barely having it in the purple. So this is what we're gonna do. We'll come back with the next part of the video really quick, and I'm gonna show you it submerged and that it still works. I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. And it's on. It is submerged. I don't see anything flickering out. Blue, woo, look at that. Green, gold, woo, that look crazy right there. Like a darker blue. And then there's red again. And then here's fading. Wow, it fades into other colors. Man, that's pretty sick. And then jump. I don't know what that does. Oh, there it is, jump. Wow, man. And then reset there. And then off. I hope you guys enjoyed this informative video. I put it together just so you guys, I know you guys like LED videos. stuff that you can plug in, accessories. So I made this video just for you guys. I hope that you guys like it. 5 and below. And you can also go to Burlington if you have one in your city and state. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's your boy Ghost2T's. Hit me with that sub, like, and comment. I appreciate it.